Okay, this is Fatumudi and the senior mom who got real life experience of tsunami 2004 when I sit in Kandulugu. So I really want to know about you, about the life experience that you got the tsunami time 2004.
Faita mi furia nama faita mi tsunami ngadi kandasta.
Algon Fatima Ibrahim.
His name is Fatima Ibrahim.
Fatima Ibrahim.
Yantari.
Rantari. House name is Rantari.
Rantari. House name is Rantari. Okay. Fatumati.
Ibrahim.
Okay. So, do you remember the time the tsunami came, the day? What was happened at that time?
Every sanana every yo.
Dabba, we are under this.
See here every movement, every single movement she has.
So she got remember everything the day Boxing Day tsunami what was happened.
Koda tsunami algon tibiri sabu tsunami ai. Yadi
Very big effect it will be happen for her home because her home is very near to the sea.
Okay, so her house was very near to the coastal area, got badly damaged due to the tidal waves at that time. And I really want to know what was happened, the first news that she got to know the tsunami is coming or how it was happening in the morning.
Kino fight the English for tsunami.
Tsunami nguni ebano bujje ke tarifu gego efa bune datta edarifu behera nikuti. There
was one cousin and daughter of son. He went outside and he came inside and suddenly he said there was something happening outside.
Okay, he said something was happened outside.
Yeah.
On that day. Around what time?
Around 9:10 or 9:10.
9:10 in the morning.
The day was very nice and very smoothly for the sea and everything and wind. There was no wind also. Very nice day.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Actually, the tsunami day, I remember I was in Sri Lanka and that day the sea was so flat, milky and it was so normal. The similar thing was faced by her. Yeah.
Then I will never put on that me kandu machanagani, doni pahal machanagani, Urihatani macha.
When he come and he said to her, the sea is coming up and all the doni and everything is coming up and she is coming inside the island.
Into the island.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Then I will Nikumangosa, Emme, following the water, Machanara.
Then he went outside and he went to the jetty.
Okay.
And he standing there. See, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Then I'll go let them balato town of pen and finger me.
When she stand the jetty,
Another food.
the sea is coming up and up and up.
Okay, then she was waiting in the jetty, the sea is
coming up.
Another food to Machara for a large finger.
15 feet up, then the
waves came up like 15 feet and
yeah, then it will disturb, yes,
yeah, okay.
for the island.
Then I'll go to a room of Kitantana.
When he went to the inside the room, the whole the room items are going.
Okay, so when she was going back to the house, so everything was flood, and then the whatever the furniture, everything was floating on the water.
Yes.
Okay, and then
going out to the door and going to the sea.
Mm-hmm. And then how many people died at that time? Or how many people was missing at that time?
Around 7 people died.
7 people have been died at that time.
There was no anyone missing.
No missing cases. Okay.
Then I'll go to me. Filmi have a bappa. Going and do me. Finger Terega. And when I got me that car, I'll go to put a calf a bed and
her husband, father was lie down on the bed and she asked for daughter to take outside of the room.
Then calf of Bunani, Dunia Nimeni Hedge. Dunia Nimeni Hedge.
The grandfather said the world is going to be end.
Whose grandfather? His.
Dunia Nimeni calf of Bunani.
Just asking question.
දැන් අලුගන්න කාෆවස් බේරණ යන අලුගන්න පොරියා ධාරිමස් බේරණ නේද ජෝලි ෆොතික ඒ ෆොරත බලාලා දෙවන රාලා අන්නන්ද
The first waves, sea and husband and grandparents, sea, everyone went outside the home and they lie down on the jolly footy.
Okay.
And when they sail outside, when they see the second wave will come up.
Yeah. Because the sea went back, the waves went
Yeah,
back
first wave
after
went
the first
back.
wave, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And within a second, the second wave is coming up.
It came like that fast.
Yeah.
Right? It came so rapid.
No one say it's coming.
Yeah.
Suddenly.
A similar thing was happening even in Sri Lanka, in the South Asian countries, right? Yeah.
දැන් අලුගන්න මෙතන තිබ්බ දෙවන රාලෝ අරගෙන පුරගස් දීප දෙවන රාලෝ ආපොතේ අලුගන්න ගනුවෙන් ඉන්නේ අලුගන්න මේකෙමින් එකතන වෙසි විහාරි කොල්ලේ තපෙදු
They was in outside everyone, but they was facing back of the sea. They don't know when the second wave is coming and what's going on. Everyone throwing everywhere.
So this wave came for one direction from all over. Everywhere. So that is really dangerous, you know. Now in Sri Lanka, the waves came from eastern side, the Madakalapu and the eastern side. But in Maldives, you know, the islands are smaller, and then the waves came all over the island from all directions, right?
Yeah.
So it's really horrifying feeling. And then after that,
දැන් අලුගන්න පෙරුනේ අලුගන්න ෆෙන්ගන්ඩුගේ තෙරේග අතම ගොස් වාටලා හැම අලුගන්න ගෙන්දාත ෆෙනිගේ අලුගන්න
When she realized she was in the sea and she tried to swim and she was very
so she was already on the water.
on the water. And she is trying to swim and she
ඔය ගාතකම නොස් දෙවේ වරන් ඔය බර ගාත
Near the depth.
ඔය ගාතකම පුරියා කරනු
there was a very high currents.
Yeah.
දැන් අලුගන්නගේ කොම්මස් එබ්බන මෙහෙක දරියක් අලුගන්න ෆෙනුනේ බේර් ගෙදර වාටලා හැම අලුගන්න බේර් කොල්ලන් කඩා
There was a one cousin brother son. He see her and he will take her
දැන්
before go to the outside of the island.
Water. Yeah.
දැන් අලුගන්න අතුක එන හිතන් ගැනස් බෙහෙන් මුරි ගහෙක් අලුගන්න මේ අයි
There was one tree and he told to her to hold the tree. Yeah.
Okay.
දැන් ගන්න ඉෆාට්ටාගේ ෆෙන්ගන්ඩ තෙරේග අලුගන්න මේ ගහුග දිග්ගා ගහෙක මෙන් ඉෆාට්ටා අලුගන්න ඔති ෆෙන්ගන්ඩ එරුගහම හතරු පරාතුම් වාටරත පුඬවරවම
When she hold the tree, she can see everywhere the water is coming up, going, things are going
Yeah.
like a big these water cans, lot of things.
Was it a school day? Was it a school day?
No. That's
It
not
was
the
just
full day.
starting.
That was a starting. Actually, that is
After
December
Christmas.
26th. No?
Yeah.
දැන් මේ බින්ගන් ඔන්නනේ එක්කම ෆූදු වඩා තන්තන් ගන්න ගොඩති වලුගන්න කරලා හෙදිපා
There was in the ground there was a big holes everywhere
Because of the tide.
because of the tide. Yes.
දැන් ෆෙන්ගන්ඩ මේ කොඩකොම් පාජෙන් හේවි මලොන්ඩ පාජෙස්සි මෙහෙ ජස්සාලා ෆෙන්ගන්ඩ තෙරේග එබස්සනේග නිහිගේ ටිනු
And she tried to put her feet in the ground and she cannot put the feet because there was a things, hole, lot of things.
Yeah, a lot of debris.
Yeah, she get scared to put the feet. Yeah.
දැන් මඩු හිඟා ගාස්ස ගෙයාදි මලාස්ස කුදින් කොබහ පුනේරෝ කුදින් තිබි සයි කුදින් නගප්ති පුලාර මච්ච
And then she tried to walk and she is going to be back to the home and she is looking for the daughter, son, this everyone. They was in the top of the roof. They was on top of the roof.
දැන්
Someone put it.
මීනාගේ කුඩ එංගහරුගේ දාරි පුඩ ජෝයියගේ දහරු ගොව පාග ජිහිගේ
And
නෙගේ කම්පත වෙලි
there was one son. He was in under the jolly, and then when he see the heat and get it by the outside of the jolly.
So how long the water was cold on the island? Like how many
It
hours?
will be like 8 or 7 minutes.
Minutes.
Yeah, for the whole of the
The
island.
second wave.
Second wave, yes.
Okay, so after 8 minutes,
It will be gone. Yeah. But there was a third wave. It will come, but it will not come into the inside of the island.
Okay.
Then it will come up the level of the jetty.
So after tsunami, how long the people were there? I mean, until she
No, the day, the same day, everyone has to be go to
They go there.
somewhere, some other island.
Yeah.
Same day.
Yeah, the same day, because everything is destroyed. There is no current, there is no water, there is no anything to use.
Yeah.
Whole island was destroyed.
Completely
The day this atolls, islands, peoples are coming to take us. Then we all go each, everyone go each and
So they came from different donis
yes,
and dinghies.
no, not dinghies, donis.
Okay.
දැන් අල්ගොඩ මාසෙක කුරි එ මුස්කුලි මීහා හොද කාපා
Then she is trying to find the grandpa, her husband, father.
Okay. So what was it?
දැන් ඔති එනා ඔති වරක් ගින එච්චි බිම්මති දෙගෝලියෙක් මිහානි හානි දෙගෝලියෙක්
He was lie down on the road, like a 2 feet half road.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he will survive.
දැන් එනා ඔති මෙහෙන් එක්කුම් ෆුරිපා ටිනු ලක්කුඩි ඔරිහා හරි එච්චි සෙරි
Top of him there was a timber, tin, lot of things.
Yeah, the things that float in
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
දැන් එනා සදාමෙක් කුර නගාන එච්චක බෙරිරු නෙන් එන් කාපා ගාගේ මිස්කින් දොරක් ස්ථානේ ගොතේ නුවස් සිංගේ මුලි මාගුතන් හදාපු වෙපා මුලි මාගුතන් එච්චි මුන්නනි
They tried to take the dead body to the Qabristan in the road, but it's very difficult to go to Qabristan because there was a train, house fell down.
Yeah.
That's why.
So as per the information, 7 dead bodies were there, right?
Yeah.
7
Yeah.
bodies. It was, yeah, that's true. Because
Belonging to her, there was 3 bodies.
relations.
Yeah.
දැන් තිම්මලලා වන්න ඉඳා ඔති ආස්ස
For the third waves, there was a signal.
සිගුණයි දැන් අල්ගොඩ මේ එතන ආස එරි මේ වාඩරු මතිග අලාගෙන් ගොස් එත ෆරුග උරි දෝනි තක උලඟු තක
There was a dhoni near to our jetty. They are trying to go inside there.
බෙසෙච්ච සාවාක ගොඩිය බෙස් ෆුල්ලාදාප නෙගේක බෙස් නේ උරි ආච්ච නගා වර කින මීමු ගෙනස්කේ
They are trying to put him and they are trying to something to lie down him. There was nothing, any beds,
Yeah.
any chairs, nothing.
To keep
and
him stable.
Yeah, to keep it. And they are trying to bring a lot of people to take him.
නෙගීරු ගති මරුවෙප
When they take him, he was live. He was live, but after second or 3 or 4 minutes, he was passed away.
Passed away. Oh, it's so sad.
In front of her.
මේ තිනුගලකු කරුග
There was a
මානා
mountain
උරෙප
was cut. Yeah.
අට මානා රෙප
Neck.
Cutting babies.
Not this side, this side.
Back.
Yeah, back side.
කාප මාරුවෙප දැන් කාප මේ මුද්ද දින අල්ගොඩ කාප ගෙන්ද මිස්කින් දොහ
Then people are taking him to our Qabristan. When people are dying,
Yeah.
there was a special area.
Okay.
We will dig it, and after that we put
Okay.
there. In your country, they
Like a cemetery
Yeah.
for the cremation.
Yes.
Okay.
බේනු කුරාන එබ්බෙසෙච්ච නේ එකච්චේ කුඩපොදින්ත ඔන්නානි බිම්මතිග
There was nothing to use.
Qabristan
All the
terega.
child was in lie down inside the Qabristan.
කානෙච්ච නේ
There's no food, no water.
බෝන ෆෙන් නේ බේනුම රහුම් බේරුවා
They always try to go to outside of Thailand
Outside of that.
because of that movement.
I can understand actually.
Because of the third waves.
That bit.
Yeah, they get scared.
And I don't know how long that she was kept all those feelings on her mind. I mean, I don't think that nobody came and asked her. Everything on her mind, on her head, and she's just keeping out every feelings that she got with emotion. I saw her tears on her eyes, and it's really sensitive and really emotional.
Now almost 18 years.
18 years.
Still she have that experience.
Yeah,
The movement.
I can feel. Yes. And then
Still he cannot forget that day.
that day, yeah, no one can-
Everything inside the heart and mind.
Yes.
Like today it will happen.
Yeah. Because losing your own
Yeah.
your house is
Yeah.
it's not easy.
Yes.
තුන්නු ෆිලානි
She cannot forget that day.
Usalla diai ekko hanavege kaapa hanavegen diai
We are born in that island.
dine
That's your own unique place.
purana netti maskalu
Gedoro
diai
muda.
gedoru
All the
uda
house,
aisa
3
diai
people was passed away.
Yeah.
All the money.
Everything gone. Everything
Yeah.
washed.
Diulo mana kita dokter masuk ke itu.
But now
When,
she's happy,
when they
right?
grow to for their to try to live in the world, all everything is gone.
Everything.
Itu kita.
dire olma
Within a second. Within a second.
Within a second.
emme
Their
tuala
future.
hanavegen
Big
diai
change.
Yes. Suddenly.
Yeah.
No one knows.
Kanduru is a really beautiful island, right?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Kuda kuda
Beautiful
sekolah
island.
ini.
dodana basa bata las rasa
Nona itu ke bodoh.
thode kureveka udara sengai era suga
It's a small island.
then alnganu me kaapa bawila diai
Okay, I have one question. So many people saying with the tsunami, only Kanduru was badly affected. Is that true?
Yeah, it's
Is there
true.
any special reason?
So it's
behind-
true. It's true.
So what's the reason behind? I mean, is that a
Because-
geographical issue or something else? Something.
Because it's whole island like a circle.
Yeah.
There was a
No reef.
jetty. There is no any
Reef.
way to the reef.
Yeah.
The sea.
Yeah.
Main sea. If there is no any way to go current here and there, cannot hold, no?
Yeah.
Because of that, it will be like that.
So it means you don't have a like. slight-
Before tsunami also, if
So how much she has been miss her island Kanduru? After tsunami 2004, she has been like 19-20 times to see her home in Kanduru Island. So it's really emotional and stuff, right? 19 times.
yeah. Mehän on aika koska tuolla tsunami from.
lagu atmosphere
How about you? How still is there?
Gate, ati sa puro yung gate.
Crying.
hanya mari jangan bari
Still
undun taka
Almost there.
ya jangan dan fenoni mak rowen
when I see the home,
dera
starting cry.
Starting crying.
dera
Emotional.
Ada di
dan ini nadeng era second level dos dias
If she won't start life over
Adi
here also
kung halaku eh.
cannot start.
Cannot start.
But still how on there?
Yeah. So she's still asking the same home. I mean, she wanted to be in Kanduru, not here. She's not really happy in here, but she wanted to back in Kanduru. Obvious, right?
Yeah.
Nara gina mi no faba sala gina tu tibi la tu ko fanana
There was 11 or 12 people, they don't want to go out of the island
Out of the
after tsunami. They want to stay there.
Stay in the same place.
But for their sons, families, they are giving pressure for them, and after that they also come.
Do or die, they want to stay.
Yeah.
rasu ko ulena ko neti meka adi ek ko hala ko foti ma rasu ka gedor nele
They-
din uleven
There was no any life to stay there because the land is there was hole, very dirty. Homes are fell down.
Yeah.
There is no water, no electricity.
nara gina mi adu ngambara dam be no bi
Lot of people want to go there,
Still.
but still, because of these things, they can't go there.
I want to ask one thing. I went there, right?
Yeah,
I saw the hospital, the houses, the wooden, the frames,
Yeah.
everything being removed, or somebody was trying to remove those,
yeah.
timber
Yeah.
stuff. So somebody was stolen or?
No. For us,
Okay.
we took that
Okay. So you have it.
to use it.
Anna,
Everybody mati go with me. This table is for tsunami.
this one.
Yeah, this one and that one. Also. This table is, they are always having food in Kanduru. Still, these two is like,
At least, right?
At least, yes.
So happy.
mi fa esa account
this is for the tijuri. Like safe.
Safe.
Yeah. They put all the money inside.
uria garta adia suri
Treasurer.
80,000 rupiah was there.
uri era uri
So everything was
Yeah.
Ya pena.
Ella
Was there?
pena moro
It was there, but it was sand.
Wet.
Yeah.
Bangkok was pala ganna mo.
Heavy fan una ne una karuda
In Bangkok Maldives also they are not taking that things
karuda sufya ne
because of the paper. Before our money is very
enot pena do
like
No teve.
low quality.
no milari no te mena mi
So now it's
Now it's very high quality.
Sando veli gando eterega ta taive vastu anu balas.
varagina mi ho
Best
milari
smell.
tives
Yeah.
Ara gina paisa gelli dia.
Lot of money.
ene deba e karuda ve sei vaum gossa hoda pai
Me
Where in the jewelry after tsunami she went and find it.
So these are all gold.
Yeah, all the gold.
ani kan vaum gossa hoda pai
At least right. it was all red.
veli gando konege.
2 days vaum gossa
After 2 days they went there and they find it.
Okay.
e uri kar bele rege ki dehi gan uri dege dete dega ekai gosse heroya e tanu hodi e getere no hodi
No get cotton
e
tere.
kote ekat hodi donkare to dorma tigane
They find this jewelry outside of their home, the road.
Kudita ke lava algon pune tasa gossa mehen kone la pa balane dete tavane ndomati algon behetti kabadu.
She put everything on top of the cupboard
Eta faskan tere kone la balai ruga feno.
and asked for the people to dig in the area.
Finally, I want to ask from her now, if she got an opportunity to go back right now, will she go back to?
There, and fight the door and Kaduru wooden down for the Vijay Dana here.
Dana.
Yes,
Really? Still.
still.
Dana. Uri aku dinna ekon dani. Dani no dani. Kudin ben noya daka.
And how do you feel? I mean, after you told me about that story, after long years, this story, how do you feel now?
Ahar doha ka phone mi tiwaha ka tah kiya dini mo kongkari usasan he yukore.
Tengo mama. Eso sabe
Feel
kita
good?
bes sama. No viene ver
Yeah.
baru. Dera
This is what I
Awak
wanted.
bes
I
sama dera wale dorong karuna nani.
Feel is
Itu
sad.
hal alwan men feni ama. Emanzar feni kuda daring ulung hal feni. Kane pone echeneti efada tati hal galon meti benti huni ma ekam ge hitama di sawan me hitu ga ama.
Still I have that feel.
Itu aku kuda tom ke gande feni ge kuda kudita bersama. Dire ekana echi janawaru kabo takecha erigan nahi hama daring efada gotar hama. Ekai.
For that day, like animals also when they hungry, they like same way her son or daughters there was one bananas
Yeah.
the same way, yeah,
Boven netti fen kore no boven netti.
there was no water.
Den beno mani abaha langsung algon me paba me lagu.
She tried to go somewhere else, not in that island because of the
Bandaj
So much. there's no food,
No food.
no water.
Yeah.
Need to eat something, need to drink water.
Den algon me bala atolo laga sumigo.
I got the flashback again like 12, 14 years before when we had the civil war in Sri Lanka, when we facing that huge, naughty, horrifying war. We lost houses, the innocent, especially in the eastern and the north part. The similar feeling: no food, no lands, no houses to live. People are running here and there. And so the same feeling, I know what she's saying exactly. And I really want to thank her for sharing with me.
Supriya, kya dini ho
So
raha
much.
hai?
Ya.
Okay.